Hi. Okay, so today we are going to show you the front end minting experience by setting up the front end UI. But before that, I would like to add on that some things. I think if you refer to previous videos, yeah, this one, and then you can see that yeah, the collection means I think here is empty. Yeah, it is because in our assets downloaded in the previous docs, it doesn't have collections. Okay, so if you know that it's like you need to have a collection PNG and collection JSON, then yeah, remember that previously we did set the symbol. Okay, then we have a descriptions and all these image, and this means this is the collections. Okay, so when you have a collections in this is in our assets, then yeah, it comes yeah, there is a collection means. Okay, so this is the add-on that I wanted to tell everyone. Don't miss out the collection bugs. Okay, so today we're going to start the front end meeting experience. First git. Okay, we start git clone. Oh, okay, they're using this way. I think it's better that I write it in this. Okay, he's cloning into this. So better I write in this way. Okay, so I'll be using this one. This one, I'll just take away. Okay. Okay, I delete it permanently. So now, okay, let's follow the tutorial. Okay, open up the env file. Open up the env file. This one. Okay, and rename it to env. And put in our Candy Machine program. It's this one. Yeah. Okay, put in our Candy Machine ID. Okay, then rename it. Okay, once all these changes, we will start with yarn install. Okay, we need to install the npm. Yeah, we will use yarn, and then we will start yarn start inside this Candy Machine, right? Let me check. It's taking some time. We will post it. Okay, I just realized I installed it to a wrong path. So we need to cd Candy Machine UI. Then we can only yum install. Okay, I think there's a JSON file. Okay, so it's included already. What you need for the front end UI. Okay, then we yarn start. Shows there's no package. Okay, cool. It works. The env is correct. So devnet. For public, not modules, SRC. It's a bin button. It's taking some times. So we'll go and check. Before go live date is reached, there will be a timer, and then it will be live. And then yeah, there will timer until public min. If you have set up the whitelist min, okay, then whitelist token detected, and whitelist settings set to pre-sale and discount price. So you have a whitelist token, then they will change to whitelist tokens, and whitelist only means it's live. Yeah, whitelist plus pre-sale and go live that set to now. Okay, and there's a end setting min. Okay, connect to wallet. We're using phantoms. Okay, connect. Okay, so it's live, so you can min now. So there's only there's 5 remaining, so I will min through it. Okay, You can go to solaneyes to check if it go through. Solana Ice. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, correct website. Okay, five are mint. They have so many studios scrap. Yeah, so this is how easy. I think don't know why it doesn't work, but I think because of Solana issues or my website issue, not sure. So we'll just end this. So it's pretty easy. It takes only like 5 to 6 minutes to set up this one. And so yeah, that is it. Thank you.